Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cube a number on a Casio Scientific Classwiz calculator. So the cube key can be located on the first row of the scientific functions. So it's this button here, x to the power 3. So let's have a look at example 1 then. So we've got to work out 5 cubed. So if we press 5, then x cubed, press the equals, and we get 125. So press IC. So the next one's 1.4 cubed. So if we type in 1.4, then press x cubed, press the equals. So as you can see, it's come up as an improper fraction, this one. But if you want a decimal, you just need to press the SD key, and that converts it to a decimal, 2.744. So thanks for watching guys, see you next time.